Hi guys, I'm back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I just simply disappeared without any explanation, without any video in 3 months, I think it is. So what to say? I'm really sorry guys, especially for those who try to reach out and see if I'm okay, if I'm still alive. As you can see, I'm okay, I'm alive. But I wasn't, to be honest, I wasn't. I think the last videos I filmed in December, I was already a little bit sick, and this continued for quite some time, and then another health issues started for me. Basically, I just couldn't do anything. Yeah, so I didn't film. The situation was like this almost until the end of February, and then March I was quite busy with other things. In the middle, I went to Netherlands to see my husband because he is already there since January. So yeah, it's kind of sad, but it's coming to the end. Good news, we finally have a house. If you are from Netherlands or you have ever lived there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And by the way, for those who are new here and you are like, what are you talking about? Who are you? Basically, you know, we lived in France before and now we just moved to Netherlands. If you want to know anything about me, I will link a couple of videos that you can basically have an idea of what is happening, but I don't want to bother you with this here. Also, I will probably talk about my health problems a little bit later on, maybe not today because I don't have time for it today. I just wanted to come here, apologize and explain what happened, and yeah, and to tell you that don't worry, I am coming back to filming. Probably not next week immediately because just when I'm filming this, it's Friday. When you are watching this video, it's probably Sunday. And then the next week is Easter. So right after the Easter is finished, we are moving with all our stuff and I'm going to be busy with that. But if you are interested, let me know. I would definitely film some kind of content, maybe not moving itself because, you know, we're just going to sit in the car and drive to Netherlands, but maybe arranging my sewing space and just show you where we live and things like that, you know, like things from normal life basically. Of course, as I said, I will come back to sewing and maybe other DIY projects. I will try to do it as fast as possible. So yeah, basically that's it. I have a feeling I forgot about something, but I'm sure you will let me know. So guys, I am here, I'm fine now. We are going back to our content, and just before that there will be a little bit of moving. The house is pretty much new, so there will be no construction involved, no redoing any type of walls or anything like that. Just easy content, you know, organizing stuff, and yeah, that's it from me. I hope that you will be able to forgive me that I wasn't here for such a long time, but trust me if I tell you I just wasn't able to do anything. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. And now that I'm back, I'm really excited to speak with you all again and get inspired together and make some new projects. Also, spring is here, so that's really exciting period of the year, as well as summer for me. I don't enjoy so much winter, so yeah, good projects are waiting for us, I can promise you that. Thank you again guys that you click on this video and that you are interested in me when I wasn't here. It means so much to me, you don't even know. I was really touched by your interest and your messages. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.